Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2018 LDV D90, stock number 6147. This ran from 11th 2017 to the current shape. It has an SV9A 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a SV9A 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight, left front guard, no dents. Left front 19-inch factory alloy magnet tyre, front bonnet no dents, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 19-inch factory alloy magnet tyre, left rear taillight, rear tailgate no dents, right rear taillight, right rear 19-inch factory alloy magnet tyre, right front headlight, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,